My name's Joshua Gwilliam. I'm a level 3 mechanical engineer working for Locator. I've been working for JCB for 2.5 years now. I get to go wherever the job takes me. If there's an issue with a supplier or at a dealership, I will go visit the supplier and I'll look at their manufacturing techniques or look if there's any way of improving how they manufacture our components. I'm really enjoying the role that I'm currently in. I'd like to carry on improving myself and maybe work up towards management within this role, but there's also several other roles that suit me around the company, such as sales, marketing, development, which I'd be really interested in getting involved with. So a challenging role I was involved with while working at JCB was trying to decrease the number of electrical faults we were having on the machine. I had to identify the main cause of the fault and then go about fixing that. This was through working with outside companies to test different theories that I had. Fortunately I was successful and managed to save the company up and above of £100,000 a year. I think my colleagues would say I'm driven, always striving for success and up for a challenge. In my case, I'd already been to university. I found that I couldn't use my qualifications anywhere I wanted to go and actually joined JCB as a security guard to start off with. I then went onto the line as working on agency on the line and found that an apprenticeship would be perfect for me to gain the skills that I needed to start a career. 100% definitely apply. It's the start of your career. You'll get all the skills you need on the job and there's no big university fees, yet you can still get all the same qualifications. JCB is definitely a company that matches my personalities and values. It's a very fast-paced environment. If you're willing to work hard, you'll certainly go far here.